Hello everyone, welcome back. Please note that these set of videos are for students who are very new to computer programming, and if you find these videos helpful to you, please like them and subscribe to the channel. In the last videos, I had explained to you about comparison operators and we executed the same using C compiler. So let me explain to you logical operators used in C in this lecture. You can also test for true or false values with logical operator, and they are used to determine the logic between variables or values. So the first logical operator which we will discuss today is the AND operator. It is represented as 2 ampersand sign and it is known as logical AND. So what does logical AND do? It returns true if both the statements are true. So I'll write here returns true if both statements are true. So how do I write that? Imagine I have a value x equal to 5 and y equal to 3. Now I am writing a statement if x is greater than 4 and y is less than 4. So in this case, check this. Is x greater than 4? Yes. X is 5, so x is greater than 4. So this condition is true. What about this condition? Y is less than 4. 3. 3 is less than 4. So 3 is less than 4. So the condition is true. So this statement, when you combine with AND, it will give you a true result because both the statements are true. So it will return true only if both the statements are true. If one of the statement is not true, if I have written something like this here, instead of if x is greater than 6 and y is less than 4. In this case, x is 5. 5 is not greater than 6. So this is false. This becomes false. This becomes not true. If one of them is not true, then your output will be false. Okay. So this is how logical AND works. Next logical operator you have is logical OR operator. So we call it as logical OR. Logical OR will return a true value if any one of the statement is true. So it doesn't look for whether both the statements are true. If any one of the statement is true, it will return a true value. So let's take an example, the same example. Let x be equal to 5 and y be equal to 3. And I am saying if x is greater than 6 or y is less than 4, return whatever. So here you are checking x is greater than 6. X is not greater than 6 because x is 5 and 5 is not greater than 6. So this will be false. I'll check for the next condition. Y is less than 4. The value of y is 3. 3 is less than 4. So this is a true. So if either of the condition is true, in this case one condition is true, the other condition is not true. If one of the condition is true, it will return a true value. So this is for OR operation. For example, you can say if it is raining or it is very sunny, you take the umbrella. So if either of the condition is true, you will have to take the umbrella. It can be either raining or it can be very sunny. So you take the umbrella. So you can, any of the condition is true, you will take the umbrella. If both the conditions are true, then you use a logical AND operator to check if both the condition is true. The third logical operator you will be using is a logical NOT, an exclamation symbol. This is known as logical NOT. It will reverse the result. So whatever you are giving a condition here, and if you want the reverse of that, you can use NOT condition. If the value is true, that is x is greater than 6 and y is less than 4, and for that case the result is false, but if you apply a NOT operator, you will get a true result. So this will reverse the result. Okay, so it will return a false if the condition is true, if it will return a true if the condition is false. So these are 3 different logical operators. In the next video we will execute the same using online C compiler with C programming and better understand the concept of logical operators. So that's all for today. If you find this video useful, kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you.